In this video, we're going to learn how to set up reminder calls and texts within your QuickEMR system. Reminder calls are a great way to stay connected with your patients, allowing them to be notified of future appointments through the automated system that is integrated with your system schedule. To begin setting up reminder calls and texts, we will first need to navigate to Settings and Connect. Once there, you will have the option to select QuickEMR under SMS Voice Provider. Once that is selected, you will see a checkbox populate for our reminder terms of service. After reading through the terms, check the box and press Save. You have now turned on your reminder system. The next step is to create your appointment reminder message template. Now that we have successfully turned on reminder calls and texts within QuickEMR, the next step is to create a message template and to automate your appointment reminders. We will first need to navigate to Schedule, Reminder Calls, and then Message Templates. This is where you will create the voice and text messages that are sent to the patients. To begin, press the Create button. Add a name for your reminder, such as Appointment Reminder. Under Translation Type, select Text and choose the appropriate language. You will notice a checkbox for New Patient. By checking this off, you can personalize the message for new patients, in case you want to add any additional information, such as please arrive 15 minutes early to complete your intake forms. Next, press the paper and pencil icon. On the right, you will see a pre-built message for you to use. This can be changed to fit the needs of your practice. The words contained in the angle brackets will auto-populate with the corresponding information regarding that appointment. For instance, facility name will change to the name of the facility that they are scheduled at. The appointment time will be the correct time for the appointment. And patient's name will change to the patient receiving the reminder message. Once you have the message complete, press Insert, and then press the Save button. If you would like to create a new voice message or text for a different language or for a new patient, select the New Translation option and begin building your new message. Now that we have the message template complete, we can navigate back to Settings and Connect. Once there, select the checkbox for Automate Reminders. You will see a new box populate on the right side of the screen labeled Automated Reminder Schedule. You now have the option to dictate when the appointment reminders are sent to the patient, as well as how many reminders you would like to send. Press the plus icon to start a new reminder schedule. In the new window, select the day of the appointment, how many days before the appointment you would like the reminder to be sent out, the time of day the reminder is sent, and finally the message template. Then, press the Save button. You can repeat this step for every day of the week or every day that your practice is open. This also allows you to send multiple reminders for the same appointments. For instance, if you'd like a second reminder for Monday appointments to go out one day before, simply create another scheduled reminder in addition to the one that's already set for 2 days prior. The appointment reminders are also integrated with your system's appointment book. While in Settings, Connect, you have the option to allow patients to confirm appointments or cancel appointments. When creating your message template in Schedule, Reminder Calls, Message Template, you can request that the patient replies Y to confirm or N to cancel. This will directly reflect the patient's response on the appointment book, changing the color of the appointment to the corresponding color that you have set for either confirmed or canceled. Furthermore, you can also check the reminder call or text details inside of the patient's case file. Navigate to the patient's case and then select the Contact Log tab. Once there, scroll down on the page to the call details. This will show you the status of the patient's reminders. You can also press More Details to see more information, such as when the reminders were sent and when it was received. To check all reminders that were sent on a specific day, you can navigate to Schedule, Reminder Calls, Reminder Call Log. Select the date that you would like to review. This will show you all patient appointment reminder statuses, as well as the details of when those reminders were sent. Beside the ability to automate appointment reminders, we also have the option to manually push out messages to patients that are on the schedule for a particular day. If we navigate back to Schedule, Reminder Calls, Message Template, we can create a new message for things like weather cancellation or provider cancellations. For instance, if your clinic's location is prone to snowstorms, you can create a message template stating that the office will be closed due to inclement weather. Once you have your message template set up, you can then navigate to Schedule, Reminder Calls, Reminder Calls. Once there, select the facility and the date in which you want to send out the reminders for. You can also specify specific providers along with a few other parameters. Press Find Reminders. You now have the ability to select your newly made message type, along with the ability to designate when you would like the messages to go out to the patients. Once that is complete, press Send Reminders. Feel free to creatively explore your options and use this feature that best suits your practice needs.